So this is the first idea. I don't think this is gonna work. Alright guys, so I'm heading over to my buddy Kenny's house right now. We're in the vet and Kenny is gonna teach me how to slide this thing.
Yep, there it is. There it is.
I've never drifted or anything like that before. Never, honestly, because I don't really have a car to do it. I've more than just done it to mess around, but Kenny is pretty sick at it. And we're heading over. We're gonna drift this thing while the tires are bald, and also I'm putting brand new tires, or not brand new, I'm putting some other tires on this thing today also. He's got a set that he's hooking me up with, and we're gonna go slide this thing, go slide his car, and go throw the new tires on. So let's go. What up, man?
What up, dog?
Boys, we got some girth on these new tires. Kenny's hooking me up with some new meats.
Heck yeah.
These I don't think I'm gonna be burning off. So today we gotta have a lot of fun because these are gonna be for hooking up and not spinning out like we're gonna be doing today. But the real question is, how are we gonna get these in the vet?
We're gonna find out.
So this is the first idea. I don't think this is gonna work. We might have to reassess. That's much better. Mint. Ready to rip. Had to stop and get some gas real quick.
Go.
Plan is to have Kenny teach me. He's gonna show me a couple pointers, and after he shows me a couple pointers, we're gonna hop in the Z06 and go from there. Class is in session. You kick it out in first or second?
Yep, so for this spot, I might start in first, I might start in second, but
alright.
Before you dump the clutch, you're just gonna point the wheels where you want them to go.
Okay.
Then you're gonna dump the clutch, get it into a slide.
Yep.
And then you're just gonna counter steer from there, control the throttle.
Okay.
And which is gonna control the back of the vehicle. You know, if you want more angle, give it more throttle. Just steer. Always point your front wheels where they need to go.
Okay.
And then on transition, you can let the wheel go, or you can follow it, whatever you feel comfortable. You can let it go, catch it, and then just
feel it out.
Yep. Feel the vehicle is what I always tell. The wheel to the left in first gear, rev it up, dump it.
That was all first.
Just to keep it simple.
That wasn't too bad. So that was pretty simple. I got confidence. So Kenny's gonna hop in the vet and we're gonna see how this goes. Car have more angle or less angle in your car?
So this car probably has half
the angle.
Yep, so it's gonna be mostly throttle control. I don't even know if I can do it, to be honest. We're gonna find out. These Z06s are pretty wild. I know with some knuckles, modified OEM knuckles at least, these things freaking throw down. So we'll see what we can do. You ready?
Yep.
Just try to, I guess, see what I do, and
so
we'll do it.
I'll be watching.
All right, maybe hold the brake if you need to.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
That was smooth. First try. Come on, look at this guy.
You got it, boy.
Hops in the vet and first try slides it.
Gotta get it done, boy.
Now it's my turn to replicate what Kenny just did. All I gotta do, just replicate.
You got it, man.
Corrected, or I gave it too much juice.
That's all right, man. You'll get it. There you go. There you go. There it is. Woo! Yeah, boy!
Oh, got a little.
Yeah!
I was feeling it right there.
You got it, dude. It's just like spinning out now.
Yeah.
Like, these tires must be totally shot.
Yeah, it's the tires. It's the tires. This is almost like it's so quiet for some reason. Like your car is a lot more violent. Like it sounds like we're being way more reckless than we are.
Yeah. She rowdy.
I feel like I can't give up until I.
There it is. There it is. Yep, yep. Woo! Yeah, perfect, bro. Woo!
I didn't want to go through the rumble.
Exactly.
Oh, there's a cop. Boys, our fun has been interrupted. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I guess pray for me because I need it right now. And we're good. That went very, very smoothly. What'd she say?
Good thing these tires are run flats because they've been on the course.
Oh
for
my
days.
God, dude, she is
Yeah,
not
look,
looking so hot.
It's separating too.
I'm glad the cop stopped us.
Everything happens for a reason, right?
Hey, that thing could have blown up.
Yeah.
So we're throwing the tires back in, and now time to go get these bad boys mounted up. These things are so thick. Literally, look at this. Like, they got some girth on them. They're 335s, and right now I'm running 305, so definitely a big difference. All right, Coney, I need you to be real careful with my baby, the precious cargo. We got you a blanket in 100-degree heat. We're gonna load you up. It's gonna be tight. Oh, we're in there. Oh God. All right, boys, made it to the tire shop. Throwing these big boys on, then we can finally hook up. This tire's so bad. Look at this. It's totally bubbling up. I'm surprised we even made it here. There we go. That went way smoother than I expected. So we're all mounted out. Got the first one on, and this thing, I keep slapping it because I'm excited. Like, this thing's got some meat on it. This thing's gonna be, I'm gonna be hooking up now. Before I would just spin. All right, dude. I appreciate it. You're the man, last second. Came through.
Yeah, good to see you, man.
And I guess we'll get out of your hair. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah,
You're the
no
man.
problem, man.
All right, man. All right, boys, we got the tires on, and we're about to see how this thing hooks up. We got 335s on now before we had 305s, and also we already know that we're good on the
tire height.
That tire height. Apparently on these newer Z06s, you can't run any tire. If you run just any tire and it's not the right height, that your car will freak out and it won't let you pass like 10 miles an hour or something crazy. I don't really know.
Yeah.
But I honestly didn't think about that till now, and I guess we're good because nothing's happened. All right, guys, so we're about to do our first pull and see how this thing spins, if it does spin. She does not spin. We just did a first, well, I guess I'll show you. We just did a first gear, like a 40 roll, and usually I would just get out of control, and now, no spinach at all, like straight, just rocket ship. I'm ready to run whoever's out there and thinks they're fast, so comment down below if you think you're fast and you want the smoke, because your boy is feeling pretty confident now. All right, boys, so we're at the red light. We got it straight away, and we're in Mexico. So here's a little first gear 40 roll. And maybe I'll do a 35. That was 0 to 45 really, really quick, I'll tell you that. Oh my God. That was no spinach at all. Literally these tires, like, they're mints. That's all I can say.
They freaking grab and go.
Yeah, minty